Is your food business recently incorporated? If yes, most probably it comes in purview of the state license granted by FSSAI. Get the applicability check from the experts at Setindiabiz. Food is the basic necessity of life, and wholesome food prepared and stored safely with hygiene when consumed by you will keep you healthy. Thus, the food business is regulated by making food licensing mandatory for every food business operator, which falls under the prescribed applicability criteria. A food state license is a state-specific license and is granted by state licensing authority for an FBO having an annual turnover of more than 12 lakhs but less than 20 crores. For transporters, the annual turnover limit is 30 crores. It has a validity period of 1 to 5 years, depending on the option selected by the FBO. Eligibility for FSSAI state license. Number 1. FBO with an annual turnover of more than 12 lakhs but less than 20 crores except for transporter. In transporters, the upper turnover limit for state license is 30 crores. Number 2. All mills of cereals, grains, pulses require a state FSSAI license. Number 3. FBO produces food other than milk and meat and products made from milk and meat up to 101 kgs or 2 metric ton liters per day. Number 4. Dairy units, including milk chilling units which procure or handles and collect milk in between 501 to 50,000 liters of milk per day, or 2.5 metric ton to 2,500 metric ton of milk solids per annum. Number 5. All slaughterhouses having slaughtering capacity as under. Large animals, 3 to 50. Small animals, 11 to 150. Poultry birds, 51 to 1000. Timeline for grant of FSSAI state license. The licensing authority issues a license within 60 days of applying a complete application by an FBO. It includes time taken in scrutinization of application and inspection of premises by the concerned authority. This timeline may practically get extended in case of clarification raised in the application by the concerned authority. The applicant receives 30 days to file a reply to the clarification raised in his application. Delay in filing a response by the applicant to resolve the clarification may delay the license grant. Commencement of business. The licensing authority for food business shall not prohibit the food business operator from commencing its food business where the licensing authority is unable to grant food license within 60 days from the date of making a complete application, and Number 1. Fails to point out the defect in the application, or Number 2. No clarification is asked after inspection of the food unit by the food officer. The above provision of commencement of food business without grant of license is to curb the delay tactics of the concerned licensing authority without any valid reason. List of documents for FSSAI state license. Documents for FSSAI registration by non-manufacturing or non-producing FBO. Company documents. Number 1. Certificate of Incorporation. Number 2. MOA Number 3. PAN card. Number 4. List of directors. Number 5. Board resolution. Number 6. Form 9. Nomination form. Number 7. List of food products. Documents of directors and nominee. Number 1. Government issued photo identity card. Number 2. Address proof. Number 3. Email ID and mobile number for OTP. Number 4. Educational qualification. Proof of address of food business. Number 1. Sale deed or rent agreement, and Number 2. Electricity bill not older than 2 months. Note: a nominee is a person responsible for the compliances of food laws, their rules and regulations, for the food business. Documents for FSSAI registration by manufacturing or producing FBO. All other documents that is prescribed for non-manufacturing or non-producing units and the following additional documents. Number 1. The processing unit's blueprint or layout plan shows the meters or square meters and operation-wise area allocation dimensions. Number 2. Photograph of manufacturing or production unit. Number 3. List of machinery and equipment and along with the number, installed capacity and horsepower used. Number 4. Water test analysis report, chemical and bacteriological, from a recognized or public health laboratory to confirm the portability, indicating the name of an authorized representative of lab who collected the sample and date of collecting the sample, not applicable if water is not being used as an ingredient. Number 5. Recall plan. We extend our support in filing and subsequent follow-up with FSSAI. Just visit our website www.setindiabiz.com or call us at 9899600605.